Beautiful morning to all my viewers. A very, very, very happy new year. I know I'm a bit late, but I was not so well. I had my own cold and cough and a bit of a fever, but I'm fine absolutely. And I thought that come what may, because I was really missing you, as I said, I thought with this little different voice, let me just wish you a very, very beautiful coming year. When I was having cold and cough, my mind was running into too many things. I was thinking, oh my God, what it is. And my mind was trying to say, okay, let me give it a name. Is it what? Right? But I did not give it a name. I did not allow any name, anything to, get over on my head. And I just kept doing what I was supposed to do. So keep having warm water, keep having, some tablets and, kind of be in my room, read books, remember you all and think of my future plan for this year. And that helped me keep going. So my learning, my dear friends, I will love to share with you. As I say that I'm not a preacher, I'm a life skill coach, and I believe in developing those skills together which help us to move our life more smoothly. So when I did not give a name to my illness, I was much calmer, and that made me think something. So many times, and I'm sure you will resonate with my thoughts, so many times when we give a name to our problem, it starts sounding bigger, right? It's not that I'm not suffering, it's not that that intensity of what I'm feeling is lesser. No. But the moment a name is given to something, it becomes really, really big, right? And thanks to the technology, there are a lot of advantages to it. But the moment you start reading about it on Google or anywhere, you start thinking that, oh my God, is this what I have? Is this what is happening? So not only about physical diseases, but mental challenges also. Sometimes I get into, okay, is sadness equal to, bigger depression? Is, my angry kind of an attitude is making me now hyper something out there? So what can I do to calm myself when things are not okay in my life? My dear friends, my advice is please don't give it a big name. Just let it be what it is. And my learning for last 5 days was, Parul, just calm down. This is cough and cold. It's going to go away. And I kept doing all the affirmations that I'm healthy, I'm fine. And I kept doing physically all the things like warm water, honey, gargle, everything possible to make it fine. Because I did not allow my mental state to get drifted and torn apart with fear, it helped me to recover, and I'm here talking to you. So my dear friends, as you know me, my name is Parul Malik, and for the year 2022, my request and appeal to you is do not make your challenges bigger by giving them a bigger name. Rather, try and push them or cut them out into smaller challenges, smaller things, and instead of going 10 levels up, try and come down 3 levels down and see if you can break them into pieces. Can you solve your challenges in a better way? So, my name is Parul Malik, and I'm a certified life skill trainer and also a certified Heal Your Life workshop trainer inspired by amazing work of Louise Hay. Very soon, end of this month, I'm coming up with a seminar, a free webinar. I'll be giving the dates very shortly. Please join me, and in that process, we all together make this world 2022. In 2022, my thought is, how can I contribute to make this world a peaceful, a calmer place? Because if I and my energy outside is to deal with my challenges in a calmer way, challenges will come, we cannot stop them. But if I don't make them 20 plus and I slash them down into 5 minus, can I deal with them in a better way? Lots of love, lots of light, lots of health to all of you out there. Please like, subscribe and share my YouTube videos with your friends, with your relatives, with anyone you feel can help out, can be helped out, and let us join hands together to make this place, this world, a better place to live in. Awesome. I'm sure you all are healthy, not only physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually. Be above the water, and from there, let's see that if any challenge come, how can we resolve it together. See you very soon, and don't forget to join me on my free webinar the date is coming very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.